Good morning, student. Here we start with our new chapter, living and non-living thing. Chapter number 7. What is living things and non-living things? So you might have seen many things around us. When you walk around, you see a human being, animals, trees, cars, balloons, books, plants, etc. You see lots of things. So what are living things? Things that have life are living things. What are living things? Things that have life means जो जीते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं living things. Okay. And what are non-living things? Things that do not have life are known as non-living things. So living things, they grow. Okay, they need water, they can breathe, they reproduce. And what are non-living things? They cannot move, they cannot grow, they cannot breathe, and they do not respond. And living things, they can move. So you can see human beings, they move with the help of legs. What do humans do? Human beings moves using their legs. And what do animals do? Animals also moves with their helps of the legs. So both are the living things, and so we have seen the characteristics that living things move. So and those animals which do not have legs, they either snakes crawls and fishes they swim. Okay, you have seen snakes crawling and fishes swimming. Now if you have seen a plant like sunflower, they follows the direction of the sun. What do? They follow the direction of the sun. They also move. And what do living things? Another characteristic is that living things grow. What do living things do? If you see a baby is born, then you become a child, then you become a man. So this is a process of growing. Then if you can see in animals, for cows there is a calf, then they grow in cow. And in the plants, we have seen seed. We sow the seed, then it become the plant, and then it's become a tree. And living things need water and food for living. For being alive, we need water and leaf. So human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Yes, you know that some of the foods we get from the plant and some of the food we get from animals. Okay, plants also make their food by using water, sunlight. Water, sunlight. This process is known as photosynthesis. Need food. They prepare their food by using air. So animals also depend upon plants and other animals for their food. Yes, animals also need foods to live a life, so they depend on plants and they eat other animals also. Okay, now living things, they can breathe. Yes, you all see that we breathe air, oxygen. So human being and animals breathe using their lungs. What we use in our body, we use lungs to breathe, and we breathe in oxygen. What do plants do? Plants inhale carbon dioxide from the surrounding. What do they it's different from us. They inhale carbon dioxide, and we humans inhale oxygen. Okay, living things can reproduce. Reproduction is the process in which living things give birth to a young one of its own kind. Okay, they give birth to the young one. You can see a woman give birth to a baby. What you can see in this picture, a woman gives birth to a baby, and a cat gives birth to a kitten. For the animals, what do? They give birth to animals, and bird lay eggs. What do they? From which the young ones come out slowly and grows into adults. Some animals, they lay eggs. And what about non-living things? It's totally different. We have seen they cannot grow, they don't breathe, they have a very short-term life. So man-made things are known as non-living things, like house, chair, ball, cup. So what you understand by non-living things? They cannot move, they cannot go, they cannot breathe, they do not reproduce. So here we end with our chapter, and thank you so much.